Have you ever felt like you're missing out on something in life? That you're not living to your full potential? That there's a better version of yourself that you know is hidden deep inside, but you can't find a way to bring that better version out? Reiki online training is an absolute must for people who are interested in personal development and improving their lives. With just a few hours of Reiki training, you'll be inching closer to the best version of yourself every day. What is Reiki? Reiki is a system of healing using spiritual and energetic understanding of the body to balance, heal, and promote health. It is a natural healing method that works with the body's own intelligence to promote relaxation and an overall sense of well-being. Reiki is a natural, holistic energy therapy that has been used for centuries. It is proven to help calm the mind and promote relaxation, balance, and healing. The system is based on life force energy, which can be transmitted through touch in order to facilitate healing. I'm a certified Reiki master and I teach Reiki to people all around the world through online training. You can learn Reiki from the comfort of your home, at your own pace, with the added advantage of personalized classes to deepen your knowledge and experience. I've created a step-by-step program for people who want to learn Reiki online and have already shared it with hundreds of other people across the world. When you follow the Reiki program, you will learn how to channel energy from the universe and work with it to help heal yourself and others. It is important for people who are just starting out with Reiki to focus on learning about the basics of Reiki before they start working on their own healing. So, if you're feeling stressed, having some health struggles, or are feeling stuck in life, why not take a step in the right direction and become Reiki certified? The reason why you should purchase my Reiki course is that it goes much deeper than the Western version of Reiki. I'll work with you personally to develop your healing abilities. Learn more by going to my website healingtheplanetfromwithin.com.